Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, that is Technical Knowledge with Swapnil, and this is the informative video related to the SharePoint list. Let's say if you have SharePoint list with multiple records, let's say thousands or hundreds or whatever, okay, and if you want to just overlook and see how many particular rows, have basically attachment in it, right? You can add attachment in a SharePoint list, but how many rows have a attachment, or if you just overlook and just want to see, let's say I have let's say for this particular example I have two rows, but okay, but I don't know which particular row has attachment or not. So to do that or to check that, you have to just do one just simple trick. So I just click on edit current view, and there is option called attachment. You have to just click on the attachment. Where is the attachment? Okay, attach, yeah, this is the attachment. Okay, and I just click on that. Okay, and just I will click on okay. Okay, now this particular row has attachment. If I see, basically means overall, okay, so out of two rows I have one attachment in the first row. Okay, okay, and this is how you can check if you have attachment or not in your SharePoint list. Okay, but this, because currently we have only two rows, but let's say if you have 1,000 rows or 100 rows, and if you want to just overlook and yeah, this particular entry should have attachment, but yeah, from here just by using this pin icon you can analyze ki, yeah, you have attachment or not in that particular row. So this is how you can check the attachments in SharePoint list. Thank you.